Hey YouTube, it's Faye, and I'm outside with a couple of my parts cars today because I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial on how to remove the windshield trim on a Mk3 Supra. Oh, unfortunately, I had my windshield replaced when I first got the car by a Faye Auto Glass, and I did not realize what they were going to do. They actually ripped out all of my beautiful trim, the factory trim, and they just put a rubber seal around it many years ago. Now my windshield is still good, so I don't want to remove it for no reason, and it's hard to get these windshields now, and it's getting more expensive to get your windshield replaced. So recently when I had my car painted, I pulled out the rubber gasket, and now the rubber gasket is gone. So I've got two options. I can either put the factory trim back on if I could find it, which as you can see behind me, I did. Or I could get Safelite or another auto glass company to pull the entire windshield out. That's right, pull it out, potentially replace it. They've got to have another one on hand and pre-charge you for it because they can't guarantee that they won't break the windshield when they take it out, just to put that rubber strip all the way around, which looks like garbage. I've actually got it on the other car, so I'll show you what the rubber strip looks like. Generic windshield with a generic gasket. I like this one so much better. As you can see, this one does not look like it's in great shape, but I'll also show you how to restore it. That's a long intro. Let's get into the video. Tools you'll need to do this job. Little teeny tiny stubby Phillips screwdriver. Love this one for getting to these little screws on this front trim piece. WD-40 or some other lubricant of some sort. Then some trim tools. I like this one with the little 90 here, and then a piece of wood and a soft hammer. Then to remove the fenders, which yes, unfortunately you have to do, a 10mm socket on a ratchet or, you know, battery operated impact, speed things up. And then I love a nice long ratcheting 10mm wrench to get to that one. Now I will be skipping the fender removal part today. It's just a bunch of 10mm bolts, one in the front, several across the top, one in the back behind the door, and a couple on the bottom. Okay, so first thing is we're gonna separate this lower windshield trim piece. The stubby screwdriver really helps me here too, so you don't have to pop the hood, which is great because this hood is not attached on this parts car. It's like sitting inside of the trim piece here. The A-pillar trim piece on both sides. You can see this one's destroyed, but see how it's sitting in there? Get it out of the way. You can see I already sprayed a little bit of WD-40 in there. It's got a lot of WD-40 up in there. So now what I'm doing is I'm sliding this piece out of this piece. So this, as you can see, all this old black coating has come off, but that's okay. I kind of like how the stainless looks. So what I'm doing is I'm sliding this down, and then as I slide it down, I separate these two and I push this piece, this little corner piece, back up, creating a gap here. You can see now I've separated this side piece from the corner piece, and the corner piece now can just come right out. See, that's not, it has this little clip here, which holds it there, and then this clip here, which holds it there. So, all right, we got one down. Now I'm gonna pull this piece all the way out. Up here, where these two pieces come together, I'm gonna spray a ton, and then down in the seam, pry up a little bit, loosening it from the clips in there. Awesome, okay. Also, now that I've pried it up, spray a little more lube in there. These two pieces, oh, there we go. You need to separate. You see that? There we go. And then this piece, you can just pull out. Obviously this one is grimy. Hopefully yours is not this bad. And this right here is why I need the fender off, obviously. This last one is always the hardest. There we go. Okay, now we've removed both the side pieces and these little corner pieces. So we can get to this top piece, which is the last piece. Let's give it a little bit of lube in there. There we go. There's all 5 pieces of trim that we need for the entire front windshield surround. So now you're probably thinking, oh great, now I gotta remove those ancient little plastic clips. Well, you could, but most likely they're gonna be glued into that windshield urethane in there, and you're gonna break them trying to pop them up. Thankfully, you can actually still get these, and they're super, super cheap. So now we have our trim pieces, but they don't look the best, right? So we've got this one is like almost all stainless. These little pieces look great though. This one has the black kind of fading and cracking off of it. So we have a couple different options. Obviously we can paint them, or we can leave them this gorgeous stainless steel, which I think I'm gonna try. But regardless, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strip off all the black here and see if I can't polish up the stainless and see what it looks like. I am gonna try my best to leave this outer black trim on. So as you can see, like with this one, even though this metal here, the stainless is exposed, that little black outer part is still there. It's part of this outer seal. So hopefully we can get that to stay. So I'm going to very carefully shave this off and see if I can't polish it up. To restore the trim, I actually used my 303 polishing kit that's meant for paint, but it worked great. And I was using my DA sander with the pads until this broke, which is fine. I've had this for freaking years. And yeah, so I ordered a new one. It won't be here till tomorrow. So I ended up doing the rest by hand. And then I just used a microfiber with the polishing compound. I also used some 1500 wet dry. And then I also used a little razor to get off all the little trim stuff. Well, my darn pad fell apart and I ordered new ones, but they won't be here till tomorrow. And tomorrow is hopefully today when you're watching this video. So I am going at the rest of them by hand. That is dedication, people, to actually getting this job done and getting this video out on time. All right, well, here we go. All right, so everyone's polished. Man, it took a lot of work getting it done by hand, but obviously you don't have to polish these. You can just paint them too once you get all that crusty old stuff off that's peeling. I'm assuming that they all look the same because you know what? They all look the same. So anyway, now I will not be able to install these today because I have not gotten the clips yet. I just ordered them today. So instead though, I want to see what this is gonna look like. So let's go put it on the car and then we can see what the final look is gonna look like. Oh my God. Okay, it's not installed, it's just sitting there, but I just wanted you guys to see the vision. Woo! And I gotta come up with something creative to do with some of this trim, but I think I have an idea. Just like see like the little chunk there. I mean, what you gonna do? This trim, this is old. This is from the mid 80s. This trim is as old as I am, so it's seen better days, people. But I just love it. It looks so much better than the windshield surround that was there before, for sure. Oh my gosh, so stoked, so stoked. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope this is helpful so you can remove some window trim without destroying it. I do not think that I'll have time to make an installation video because I've got to install this for SEMA and SEMA is coming up very soon. So I'm just gonna throw this on and you know, whenever you film something, it takes triple as long to do. So speaking of SEMA though, I am gonna have my Mk3 Supra at SEMA. It'll be in the Power Shop booth. So if you are gonna be at SEMA, please come see me. and see the Supra, and take a lot of pictures of it and send them to me because that would make me so happy. So yeah, anyway, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Or did you change your mind, Yogi? Let's get a fresh one. Oh, they like the seed part the best. The middle. Delilah's got the lettuce. Yum. You want some Yogi? Her bites are so dainty and delicate compared to the rest. Astral here with the poofy head is very aggressive with the cucumber. She's like, give it to me. Everything Yogi does is very delicate. It's okay, honey. Get in there. There's Abby. she just took it out of Abby's mouth. That's hilarious. Hi, Luna. You want some? You want some more? There you go. Good girl. Yeah. All right. I'll leave you to it.